Okay, Minuet 2. So you're going to find your note. You've just played it. Line up one with that. Put your forefinger down. You've got your B flat. Here we go. Then you found your note. This is a little bit more mischievous. It's dark. It's minor, but it's got more life to it. The other one is quite proud and elegant, and this one's got the mischief. And it's again all about the first beat of the bar. To there, to there, to there, to there, there. So what I'm doing is actually the bow is on the string and I'm leaning into the bow. I'm not going, there's no attack. You kind of melt into the bow. As if you're at the side of the swimming pool, you put your hands and feet on the wall and you push yourself away to float off. That's the kind of bow stroke that we have for these downbeats. And then staccato. Don't stick out the third beat. So, like there. Light, strong. Now you see the shape of the music of this next bit. It's actually going up and then it's coming down. And I want you to do that with your dynamics. To really achieve it, you have to play into the string. So you see what I'm doing with my bow? I actually start using quite fast bow on my separate notes. So look, smooth and I crescendo. It's coming from here. It's not this kind of bow stroke, it's this, so that the bow stays glued to the string. That's a light bow, and we finish the up bow in the air. Otherwise, we have this, which really sticks out, and it's the weakest beat of the bar, so we have to avoid it sticking out. So here we go. Beat 1. Play out. Light, float. Back to here. That's the best part of the bow. Recapture the downbeat. I said this in previous lessons. We have the light part suddenly is at the beginning of the bar. So Bach was having a bit of a laugh with us. Instead of the downbeat every time, he's just nudged it along by a beat. So we have beat 1, 1, light, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Mischief, false ending. No, we go on. Downbeat. Question mark. Reassert. Another question mark. Where are we going? Here we are. 1, 1, 3, 1. And don't be scared of that open G. Really let it ring out. So there's a bit of storytelling there. You just have to throw yourself into it.